Here at Porter-Gaud, we look forward to the Advent season every year. It's the chance for us to worship together, to sing together, and to celebrate together. From all of us here at Porter-Gaud, we wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a joyous New Year.